to Mrs. B Lux, Life. I am Sarita, and it is bag breakdown time. Yes, look, I still feel the bags are looking at me because they are all just sitting there, and I think one has been sitting there almost a month. But we're about to break the bags down. How y'all doing? How y'all doing? Yeah, look, I got my workout stuff on because I'm going to work out in the garage to get this together because we got vacation coming and we have some other stuff coming. That how are y'all doing? How's everybody? Father's Day is almost here, and this year I'm okay. Not down about it because I know some are resting. Okay, resting, smiling down on me and watching me shine as I always have. So if y'all knew me early on, you'd be like, oh, that girl has always been. Yeah, but I doubt myself a lot. But I have a lot in my corner, my aunts, my sisters, my cousins, and my friends that hype your girl up and bring me back to reality of, yes, you are her. Stand in it. So, yeah, my Pisces. So if you know, you know, okay? But what bag are we going to break down? I'm sitting here before I press record. I don't know which one because I've already moved space. I know the Kiss Lock has to go somewhere. I know the Rogue has to go somewhere. And then we have the Bleecker 21. What's over? Tabby 36. I'm like, what's in that bag? The Tabby 36. Like, after I reveal with you guys, I put everything back in the box and the plastic and everything. And I just put it there until it's time to open it. So, but wait, y'all. Wait, before we even get to that. Y'all see the Scarlet that's coming? Oh, my gosh. If a Chelsea 30 is coming in Scarlet, I'm in trouble because let me tell y'all something. I had the dark fuchsia Chelsea exhibit 1. I had it for 2 days, was excited about it after the day of the meetup, after talking and chatting, and I'm in fear of suede to destroy it, mess it up, any little thing on it, scared. So I returned it. Wah, wah, wah. I know. But somebody have its brand new factory wrapped and everything, right, brought it right back to Dillard's. Now I'm waiting to see if Scarlet comes out. Baby, if that Scarlet Chelsea 30 comes out, like, what? Come on home, honey. Come on home. Because I was thinking about the Mott 22 in Scarlet. I didn't do it. But if the Chelsea 30 comes out in Scarlet, be prepared to be sick of me, okay? Golly, that's the only bag she have. It's not, but that's gonna be the bag on the heavy rotation, okay? So I don't know. I keep thinking. I'm gonna just stay tuned and I'll wait. But what bag? I keep looking over there like, what bag? Y'all. And I wait. When is the summer sale? Cause it's mid-June. When is the summer sale? I thought it was usually around this time already before Father's Day. I guess I'm wrong. I don't know. But, yo, what bag? I think we're going to do the Kiss Lock. No. Who was here first? Who was here first? Oh, my gosh. I think it was the Rogue. And I think the Rogue is going at the top because you remember what I told y'all. And then if y'all think I think some of y'all think I just be saying it, but literally the conversations in the whole meetup was just like awesome. I'm still taking that in, but just to communicate and still be in communications with a lot of the ladies and maybe working things up for something else. So in everybody is so excited and was excited. That is just like, I don't like to dwell on stuff, but that was so big for me. That was so big. And let's figure out what bag we gonna break down. I don't know. Okay, let me go figure that out and we're gonna debag. So let's break down the bag, shall we? Okay, so I did go pick up the Rogue. That is the one we're going to debag first. Okay, let me tell y'all. Oh, God, I better turn it this way, huh? The Birkin of Coach. Okay, let me tell y'all. This is what we were talking. Where we were on the live on TikTok, me and Ashley and a couple other ladies. And why do you consider the Rogue the Birkin of Coach? Okay, and Ashley was saying, "Oh, hold on, y'all. Hold on, y'all." Okay, y'all probably can hear me better. I had to take my AirPod out. But Ashley was saying, well, you don't think the tabby should be the Birkin? And I said, well, no. So we came up with the tabby is more like the Fendi baguette. Follow me, follow me. And the Rogue is more like the Birkin. You know how you can create your own Birkin? Or I said the Kelly too. It could be the Kelly or the Birkin, but we're going to go with the Birkin, okay? But this is just like that for Coach. That's what I'm saying. Not saying it is, but that's top tier wise. That's what this is. So you got a Rogue, you got you a Birkin, honey. You like what? But let's break it down. Let's break it down. Okay. Let me see. Let's take the strap out. Let me see. I'm going to move the video so y'all can see. Okay, so we have, let me get my scissors. Hopefully they're in here. Yeah, I got my scissors. And, okay, so we have one strap. Okay, so this is one of the shoulder straps. This, I think, is the crossbody strap. And as you can see, everything is protected, and we love that. We love it. We love it. Ooh.
I seen another day, seen another breath, and I seen another raindrop trickle on all the leaves. I've felt a little pain, but I felt a lot of joy. So I know to see and to breathe and to feel only means one thing. So I still believe, cause I know I got life, so I can't fight. And I know, say I rely on the hope of a good time, hope of a good time. Cause it's a choice, so yeah, I know it. To see the world and not be hopeless. I know, yes, I know that. Blessed with another chance, I am. 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 I'm blessed with another chance, I am. Blessed with another chance, I am. And every day, always on my head high and my chest high, but that don't mean I don't cry. Like la 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 la. My enemies, I'ma say bye bye. Energy feeling like I can't fly. I know he loves me, that's why. So I still believe, cause I know I got life, so I can't fight. And I know, say I rely on the hope of a good time, hope of a good time. It's a choice, so yeah, I know it. To see the world and I feel hopeless. I know, yes, I know that. Blessed with another chance, I am. 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 I'm blessed with another chance, I am. Blessed with another chance, I am. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. We can get away, but I'm trees, beach views, food and everything. All I wanna hear is in the visions I regret. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think you wish you away, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away and sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you, feel you. I want you around, around.
That is it. That is all. Thank you guys so much for watching my break down the bag video. I'm going to place it in the case you guys will see that at the end. And then the next video, we might just dress her up. But thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for commenting. And I will see y'all on the next one. Bye.